It's the warm season, and people are taking their skin out for a test drive in the hot sun. The UVA and UVB rays of the sun feel great. A lot of people have to tan, but a little bit too much can cause a sunburn, and we know that a sunburn's not a good thing. When you get burned, what do you turn to? Start with aloe vera. This is the inside gel of a very popular succulent plant that also makes a great, beautiful plant to have around your home because it's so decorative. The gel of aloe vera is cooling and soothing. It helps to heal sunburn, especially the cooling helps to relieve that intense heat that you get from a burn. So aloe vera, I would describe as remedy number 1 for sunburn. Number 2, tamanu oil. I've mentioned this before for other things. This is an all-around great first aid remedy for skin. Tamanu oil comes from the nut of a tropical tree that grows in the Pacific. You can find tamanu oil in natural food supermarkets and other places. You put tamanu on a burn. My experience is that it takes away the discomfort of a burn pretty much right away, and it also turns that burn into a tan in about a day. So tamanu oil is a friend of mine. I keep it on hand in the summer. The last thing I like to use is witch hazel. This is an extract that you can get in any drugstore. It's clear. It almost looks like water in the bottle. Witch hazel is an extract of a tree. Interestingly enough, this tree grows mostly in Connecticut, so that's sort of the epicenter of the witch hazel industry. Witch hazel is a cooling splash. You put it on a burn, and it helps to relieve that hot sensation and discomfort. It tightens skin, helps to keep your skin from peeling. It's the hot season. People are out in the sun. Protect yourself, use sunscreen, be cautious, and if you get burned, try these natural remedies. I'm Chris Killam.